Netflix series Dark isn't a show you watch, it's a show you solve. Created by two German writers, Dark sits in a mystery sci-fi section of Netflix and is described by a streaming website as a family saga with supernatural twist. So here are my top reasons why you should watch the show. It's not a copycat. Dark is kind of a show where early on, before you really get to know it, you can feel the vibes of the show that came before. The stories that influence it Dark are ones that deal with people who are wrestling with extranatural forces that are just beyond their understanding, just like Stranger Things. But it's certainly not a show that wears those influences on its sleeve. Series creators crafted a fiercely original piece of fiction that is one of the most thoughtful and unique TV shows of the decade.
Tag und Traum, er wacht aus einem Traum.
Compelling time travel story. Usually, the time travel stories often don't consider the reality seriously, which are most utterly ridiculous. Most of the time travel seems to exist for aesthetic or because it's just another sci fi entity, rather than having a deeper meaning. Dark's use of time travel actually has thematic significance. It's not just a way to create messed up family trees or make your brain feel like it's going to explode with some of the paradoxes. Though it does do both of those things. It also means something. The idea of trying to change the past or future is, at one level, a lesson in mental health. But time as a means by which we can relate to ourselves and our actions is also shown. Time travel also has consequences, consequences that make sense, or at least as much sense as time travel can. Rewatchability. Usually, once we've seen something, I'm satisfied and don't feel the need to revisit. It's still a show you can come back over and over again and still find new things. With the amount of background symbolism, thematic complexity, and sheer character work that goes on in Dark, you kind of have to watch it more than once. And that's not even getting into if you want to try and untangle some of the time paradoxes and figure out who knows what or talk to whom and when. Dark is a thinking person's show. Honestly, you cannot casually watch it in the background. You really have to pay attention. On the flip side, it rewards close attention. It's highly bingeable. In fact, I recommend watching a whole season, if not both seasons, in a quick succession as possible. You won't regret it. Awesome background soundtrack. Sound and music are the crucial part of a great TV series. But compared to film, television soundtracks tend to receive far less attention from the general public or casual viewers. Dark has best background score, which deserves a place among the best of them. Atmospheric, tense, and appropriately dark, the show's score knows its place and occupies it perfectly. The music, composed by experimental Australian producer Ben Frost, is often simple but never fails to make an impact. Critics love it. We are living in an era in which critics and home viewers often clash. Dark, however, has managed to gather near universal acclaim from both camps. The first season scored a very respectable 88% on Rotten Tomatoes. The second season now sits at 100%, with critics praising its originality and intelligence and how it improves on its already very strong first season. The site concludes that the second season descends deeper into the show's meticulously crafted mythos and cements the series as one of the streaming's strongest and strangest science fiction stories. Casting for the series has been great, where different timeline characters look alike. It makes it look like all the timeline characters are played by one person. With the third season expected to release on 27th of June, it is a must to binge watch to make yourself ready for it. Like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you watch the Dark season. Catch you guys in the next one.